DJ Sirplus.
Yeah, you don't know, it's DJ Sirplus, you know. It's not hard to figure out, you know. If you don't reach youths them, then you're not in the future. We need the youths them to survive. So we have to go into their mind. I understand. You listen to the man. You hear me say?
Positive vibes in our piece of that. Negative, you are free your best. It's sad how the little girl them get so slack and how them head get so hot. It need to stop. And if you agree with that, put two fingers in the air like you are squeeze a shot. Leave that, probably you won't believe it shot. But put your two hands together and leave the club. Can I feel it shot? Me being in fact, as a young woman, even need to sleep on that. Coulda never make you walk out feeling that surplus. Coulda ever in league with that. You see the need for chat. So me be the cat, alyst for change and see if we can increase the stats. Everybody feels that somebody else can deal with that. And that's one way the system mislead the mass. But still, man a class warrior. Not a physical one, it's a mental warrior. We all use them to serve. Say they want to pass the class and keep on carrying that still. Man a classroom warrior. Hurts to see the girl them future in a sorrow. So for the youths them they want for. But my sword and my shield is a board and my marker.
Yeah.
Lead us not into temptation, that's what everybody says. But what kind of situation that you're gonna put yourself? You don't even know the youth and you're touching on the steps. You said no and I think it's might as well they you say yes. The next verse of the youth, they wanna listen to that part, yeah. Can love how now dash on the life like dirty water. Casa, foolish is more gully and Gaza. Feel the real reason, no grow with no father. Master, remember tell you where we woulda rather. The youth them work harder, rich father, free smarter. Realize the power, I am mine all a bother. Don't disappoint another struggling father still. Man a class warrior. Not a physical one, it's a mental warrior. We all use them to serve. Say they want to pass the class and keep on carrying that still. Man a classroom warrior. Hurts to see the girl them future in a sorrow. So for the youths them they want for. But my sword and my shield is a board and my mark. Feel it hurt my heart, listen in the news. Another mother bar, see the killing in the schools. Kinda make me wonder, see the missing in the rules. Teachers what are going to stop dismissing the youth. When me say they go to school, for you to be your best, for you get an education and progress to success. But you feel them mass one but pass pregnancy test. Tell the youth where stress so you not ready for no sex. Man a class warrior. Not a physical one, it's a mental warrior. We all use them to serve. Say they want to pass the class and keep on carrying that still. Man a classroom warrior. Hurts to see the girl them future in a sorrow. So for the youths them they want for. But my sword and my shield is a board and my marker.